Okay, so here we are in the interior of our brand new 2021 F-150, and as you can see, it doesn't even feel like you're in a truck anymore. But it's nice to see them throwing such a luxury interior into a truck these days. It's a really cool feature. Now, as you can see, I have my laptop sitting right on the console. Now, this is Ford's integrated workstation. In certain models, this actually flips over, becomes even more of a desk, but in this feature right here, still works great, still able to get the laptop on there, and when you're ready to go, you simply move your laptop out of the way, put it wherever you need to. Gear selector. Push a simple button, and comes right up for you. Now, before we even get moving here, there's a lot of really cool options to show you on this. So you even have Pro Trailer backup, so you can easily back up to your trailer. You have integrated trailer brakes, so no longer are the days where you have to wire in your own trailer brake, and it's really nice when it comes to towing. Now, as you jump up to this amazing Sync 4 display, this is the 12-inch option display. Right up on top, you have the different selections for your park assist, your hill descent assist, your traction control, everything like that. And as you look across here, it's a very nice, pleasurable display to look at. The navigation is super simple, super easy to actually use. Nice touchscreen that you have going on there. And easily sync your phone to it. You can include the Ford Pass, which automatically connects your phone to your truck. You can modify certain settings on the truck as you see fit to yourself. Have a certain level of favorites. Even install apps on here. So your favorite apps on your phone are now available on your truck. You can easily change your settings, anything like that, so you can see fit to yourself here. And then as you move over to the features on your truck, that's where you're going to get into the driver assistance stuff like your adaptive cruise control, the lane keeping system, everything like that. And that's where you can actually adjust the aggressiveness of that system as well too. So you're not getting into anything where you're getting a lot of jerking or anything like that. Comes with an integrated owner's manual right on the truck itself, so nice and easy there. So what an over-the-air update is when your truck is, say at home, not being used, or whenever you see fit, Ford actually has developed a system to update your truck at home. So you don't have to actually get it to the dealership to do a basic update or anything like that. No, it's going to automatically install those updates seamlessly, so you don't have anything holding you up during the daytime or anything like that. Now, as we move around the interior, you have a lot of different stuff between new glove compartments up on top. You still have the additional one down here. Moving around, still have the accessory outlets. Really nice to see those being added into everything these days. And one of the cool things is the ambient lighting. So Ford actually uses it's called a cool blue LED light to go into the cup holders. It even includes that in the back itself too. So you can have a nice LED light giving you a nice experience inside the truck itself. Anyway, so as we move to the dash itself, you really have a lot of options in the dash. You can move between everything that you see on your main screen over here. You have your My View, which is completely customizable to what you want to see on your truck itself. You have the full trip and fuel, letting you know how efficiently you're driving and everything. Full on truck info, and that's going to include everything from where your power is being put down. It's going to let you select into different modes, so you can have your snow mode, your off-road mode, if anything, any different situations like that. That's all going to be in there, and even it comes with the tire pressure sensors, the off-road function, so you can see where your power is being displaced, and even the degree that your truck is being tilted at. Really cool feature, and kind of cool to see that they're giving you so much available to you in these newer trucks. All right, well, that's enough about that. Let's see how this baby rides. There's quite a considerable amount of snow here over the night, so it should be quite interesting to go test out these snow capabilities in this guy. What this FX4 package is going to give you is, it's going to give you upgraded, it's going to give you skid plates on the bottom of the truck itself, and then it's also going to give you an upgraded front and rear suspension that it's a lot more tuned to handle bumps, like say we're going over right now. The one thing I'm really impressed with is the actual highway riding capability on this truck. You don't have a lot of the jarring that you get with a lot of the newer trucks these days that are set up for towing, and almost need to have weight in the back end. You don't really get that with this one. So it gives you a nice smooth ride, and you're not really bouncing around or anything. Handles the snow really nice. We just went up a giant incline covered in snow in two-wheel drive. no issues. So that's really cool. And as we get out onto the highway here, you really feel the smoothness on this new truck. They claim that the range on these newer trucks these days is around 700 miles. Now, given the addition of, you know, the incredibly comfortable seating position, the heated seats, the awesome Bang & Olufsen stereo system that this truck does come with, I could easily see us doing it, and maybe we might have to test that capability, because I've heard it would be pretty nice to be at the beach today, considering, you know, it looks like this outside. Okay, so one of the really great features that they did add into this truck is the amazing B&O Bang & Olufsen stereo system. Now, this used to be a stereo that was really only offered on your incredibly high-end market cars, you know, years ago. So it was amazing to see that this is coming into these new trucks. Probably one of the #1 features that I hear from people constantly is just how amazing it sounds. And you even get the full ability to tune it how you would like. Comes with a full surround option. So a lot of cool features and something you're really gonna have to experience for yourself. One really cool feature on this truck is it does have its ability to essentially read speed limit signs for you. So if you're ever in a situation where you don't really know the speed, or you know, you miss the speed limit sign, it's going to tell you on your dash. And if you pass the speed limit sign, this truck is smart enough to read that speed limit sign and tell you on your dash what the speed limit is on this road. One really thing I noticed on this truck is, you know, they gave you a really great seating position in this truck itself. So it's really, I mean, these seats are great. It'd be super easy to sit into them and, you know, put a couple hundred miles on, a couple thousand miles if you really want to get crazy. I really love the amazing view that you get in this truck too. The full 360 view around this and visibility that you get, you know, compared to some other vehicles where you really can't see what you're doing, is truly phenomenal. Plenty of awesome benefits on this new 2021 F-150. Thank you for stopping by. And remember, like, follow, subscribe, RHRSwag.